There's a way to double your income as a real estate photographer without working longer hours. It's not magic, it's technology, and it's changing the game for photographers just like you. In this video, we're going to dive into CubiCasa, the floor plan generator that's helping photographers boost their average order value and offers services clients can't resist. Stick around and see how this simple app can transform your business and set you apart from the competition. Picture this, you're standing in a client's living room, measuring tape in hand, trying to sketch out the floor plan. It's been 30 minutes already, and you're not even halfway done. Sound familiar? This is reality for many real estate photographers today. Let's talk about why floor plans are such a headache. First off, they take forever to create. I'm talking 45 minutes or more per house. That's time you could be spending on another shoot or editing your photo. It's no wonder many photographers skip floor plans altogether. They're just too time consuming. Here's the kicker. Clients actually want floor plans. They know these layouts help sell properties. Problem? They don't want to pay extra for them. It's a classic catch-22. You want to offer valuable service, but you can't afford spending an hour on something that doesn't boost your bottom line. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of manual measurements. They're not just slow, they're also prone to errors. One wrong number and suddenly the master bedroom is looking like a closet. These inconsistencies can really hurt your reputation with clients. Nobody wants to be known as the photographer who can't measure straight. Time is money in this business, and every minute you spend measuring is a minute you're not shooting. Think about it. If you're spending an extra hour at each property for floor plans, that's one less house you can photograph each day. Over a week, a month, a year, that adds up to a lot of lost income. Let's not forget about the equipment. Traditional floor plan methods often require special tools and training. We're talking laser measures, drafting software, the works. It's a whole other skill set on top of your photography expertise. For many photographers, it's just too much of an investment in time and money. But what if I told you there's a way to create accurate floor plans in 5 minutes using nothing but your smartphone? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what CubiCasa's floor plan generator promises to do. This app is changing the game for real estate photographers, turning a time-consuming chore into a quick, easy, and profitable service. All right, let's dive into how CubiCasa actually works. I've got the app open on my phone right now. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to scan a room. First things first, you open the app, hit the scan button. Now here's the cool part. You don't need any special equipment, just your smartphone. So I'm standing in the corner of a living room, holding my phone at my chest height. The app tells me to start walking around the walls, keeping the phone steady. As I move, you see the app capturing the layout of the room in real time. It's like having a mini architect in your pocket. Now let's talk about speed. I just scanned this entire room in about a minute. For a whole house, we're looking at 3 to 5 minutes tops. Compare that to the old school method and measuring and sketching, which could easily take up to 45 minutes or more of your time. That's a game changer right there. But the magic doesn't stop. When you're done scanning, once you're done, you upload the data to CubiCasa. This is where the AI takes over. It processes all the information you just captured and turns it into a detailed floor plan. We're talking accurate room dimensions, fixed furniture placement, the works. And it does all of this in a fraction of the time it would take you to draw up manually. Now let's look at the different types of plans that you can get. There's the basic 2D floor plan, which is great to give a clear overview of the property layout. Then you've got the 3D floor plan, which adds depth and perspective. These are fantastic for helping potential buyers visualize the space. And if you really want to wow your clients, there's the 3D video walkthrough option. It's like giving a virtual tour of the property without ever stepping inside. Pricing is pretty flexible too. You've got the basic plan to get you started. If you want to step it up, there's a plus plan that includes fixtures. And for the full package with the 3D option is about 65 bucks. This adds textures and furniture to your 3D models. Want to go all out? The 3D video render is $129. Or you grab the bundle with both the 3D video and 3D floor plan for $149. Let's talk about the real reason you're here, making more money. I've chatted with photographers who started using CubiCasa, and let me tell you, the numbers are impressive. Some have reported doubling their income just by adding floor plans to their services. That's right, doubling. But how exactly does this work? Let's break it down. Remember those pricing options we mentioned earlier? Here's where they really start to make sense. So you're doing a standard photo shoot for a client. Now you can offer them a 3D floor plan for an extra $65. Want to really wow them? Throw in the 3D video render for $129. Suddenly, your average order has jumped significantly. But here's where it gets even better. CubiCasa has this thing called the preferred preferred photographer program. It's like a VIP club for photographers who want to use their service regularly. The big perk? 25% discount on all paid products. That means more profit in your pocket with every floor plan you create. Now let's do some quick math. Imagine you're doing 10 shoots a month, and for each one, you're adding a 3D floor plan and a 3D video render. That's an extra $1,940 in revenue just from these add-ons. And remember, that's before the 25% discount. With the discount, your costs go down, but your selling price stays the same. See how it adds up quickly? But wait, there's more. I know I sound like a late night infomercial, but stick with me here. One of the coolest things about CubiCasa is you can create multiple products from one single scan. So you scan the house once, and you can offer the client a 2D floor plan, a 3D floor plan, a video walkthrough. It's like turning one service into three without any extra work on your part. So how do you package all this? It's simple. Start by offering your standard photo package, then present the floor plans as a valuable add-on. You can create tiered packages: silver for photos only, gold for photos plus 2D floor plan, platinum for the works with 3D plans and video. This not only increases your average order value, but also gives clients options, making them feel in control of the purchase. You've got the skills, you got the gear, but maybe you're wondering how to actually start offering floor plans to your clients. Let's talk about some common concerns and how to overcome them. First off, you might be thinking, will this just add more work to my plate? It's a valid concern, but here's the thing. CubiCasa is designed to save you time, not eat it up. Remember, we're talking about creating professional floor plans in just minutes, not hours. Now you might be worried about how your existing clients will react. Well, they see the value. Here's a tip. Start by offering floor plans as a bonus on your next few shoots. Once they see how much these plans enhance their listings, they'll be hooked. You can say something like, I've got a new tool that can create accurate floor plans in minutes. Would you like me to include this with your photos for no extra charge? When it comes to marketing these new services, keep it visual. Create before and after posts on your social media showing listings with and without floor plans. You can even make a quick video demonstrating how CubiCasa works. Clients love seeing behind the scenes stuff. Now let's talk about the learning curve. Yes, there's going to be one, but it's not as steep as you think. Spend a couple hours playing around with the app in your own home. Scan different rooms, try out features. By the time you're ready to use it on the job, you'll feel confident and prepared. Some photographers worry about accuracy. Here's the thing. CubiCasa's technology is designed to be more accurate than manual measurements. No more worrying about misreading that tape measure or forgetting to account for a weird corner. What are the pros and cons of using CubiCasa? On the plus side, you're offering a valuable service that sets you apart from the competition. You're saving time and potentially increasing your income. Main con, you might have to educate some clients on why floor plans are worth the investment. But once they see how it improves their listings, it becomes a non-issue. To smoothly integrate CubiCasa into your workflow, start small. Add it to 1 or 2 shoots a week at first. As you get more comfortable, you can offer it to all your clients. Before you know it, it'll be as natural as setting up your camera. All right, let's wrap up. We've seen how CubiCasa can transform your real estate photography business. You're saving time by creating floor plans in minutes instead of hours. Your income potential skyrockets with these high value add-ons. And your clients, they're getting a service that helps sell properties faster. So what's your next move? Start by downloading the CubiCasa app and give it a test run in your own home. Get comfortable with scanning. Then offer it as a free bonus on your next shoots. Watch your clients' eyes light up when they see the results. Here's the best part. CubiCasa offers a free trial for new users. You can create your first gross living area report at no cost. It's a perfect way to dip your toes in without risk. Why wait? Give it a shot and see how it can level up your real estate photography game.